Hello everyone, I'm Error Slayer and today I will show you how to download OP Auto Clicker on PC or laptop. If you're ready, open your web browser and start by searching for OP Auto Clicker. Click on the official website opautoclicker.com. If you want to download it for Windows, click here. For Android, click here. And for Mac or iOS, click here. You can also download it as an extension for your Google Chrome web browser using the Chrome Web Store. I'm going to download it for my Windows computer, so I'm clicking here. If you wait 5 seconds without clicking anywhere, it will start downloading automatically. OP Auto Clicker requires no installation. Simply run the downloaded autoclicker.exe file. I'd also like to briefly explain how to use it. In the click interval section, enter how often you want the device to click. In the click options section, you can choose whether to click with the left, right, or middle mouse button. You can also specify how many times to click in the click repeat section. In the position section, you can specify exactly where to click. For example, first check the box and then click the Pick Location button. Then, manually click once where you want it to click, and the auto clicker will save that location. Finally, start the auto clicker by clicking the Start button or pressing the F6 key. As you can see, it's working successfully. It won't stop unless you press the F6 key. I hope this tutorial video on how to download OP Auto Clicker on PC or laptop was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.